I want to give people something a little bit funkier, a little bit more honest with their Christmas music.
Okay.
That's why today's song of the week is a modern Christmas Carol remix.
Yay!
Oh my goodness,
Oh my
I'm
God.
so excited.
I already want to go on YouTube after this and learn the lyrics so I can sing along.
I love Christmas music, man. This could be all the old songs and I'll still be happy.
We'll see what happens. I'm going to point when I'm ready. Here we go. Point! Oh, there's no toilet rolls at the store today. Just sold out of the Xboxes and drones. There's a Santa-sized blockage in the supply chain.
Oh my God.
For the holidays, we all get off-brand phones. Going to buy a Christmas tree in a fenced-off parking lot. Daddy yells curse words angrily at the car that stole our spot. Going to buy a Christmas tree with a festive temperament. Maybe we'll hit a coffee shop, triple pump that peppermint.
Oh, yeah, baby.
You could get a fake tree shipped from China in a week.
It's true.
It don't need water, clean and hardy plastic love like Ken and Barbie. Not gonna buy a Christmas tree, gonna chop one on my own. Beautiful fur growing naturally right behind my neighbor's home. Frosty the snowman used to be so tall and round. We warmed up the globe and now there's way less snow, so he's 1 foot off the ground. Frosty the snowman felt so down and out of shape. He met some teens one night, took his corn cob pipe, and they taught him how to vape.
Yes.
Phones'll ding, are you listening? It's your home security system. A horrible sight, they're stealing your bike. Just watching it unfold on your ring cam. Ran away with your package until they slipped on a cabbage. That Christmassy crime went viral online with 40 million views on Instagram.
I really can't stay.
Totally cool, that's fine.
Got to go
I'll
away.
get you an Uber ride.
This evening has been
It's actually noon
so
now.
very nice.
Sounds good, I'll see ya, so
My mother
goodbye.
will start to worry.
Please go on and give her a
Father will
call.
be pacing the floor.
Hold on, do you live with your
So
folks?
really I'd better
No,
scurry.
I really think that's a good
Well, maybe
idea.
just a half a drink
Why
more.
did I swipe right on this girl? What the hell does my aunt want for Christmas?
Oh no.
No clue what she likes. Maybe some new floral bath soaps or air fryers. Oh, 'cause what the hell does my family want for Christmas? Gift cards, gift cards, gift cards. Merry Christmas, everybody!
My goodness. It just got better and better and better and better.
I mean, it really did, Jose.
I was like, oh, Frosty's getting my favorite part. And then the next part came up. And then the
Totally,
next
yeah.
part came up.
Thank you for being a safe date.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. They really needed to remake that. You
Yeah.
did a good job
Yeah,
with
you-
that.
Maybe they get that one on the air
Way less
soon, but
creepy.
I think it's a little bit
it's
of a
so
better
good.
glimpse of what Christmas looks like now. But make
It
sure
really
you
is.
text into 78592 because I want to hear what you thought about the song of the week.